নমস্কার সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকে আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 171 এবং আজকের এপিসোড কিন্তু টাই অ্যান্ড ডাইয়ের ওপর বন্ধেজের ওপর। সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে আজকের প্রোগ্রামটা। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 বন্ধেজ এবং আজরাকের ওপর একটা ফিউশন, বন্ধেজ অ্যান্ড আজরাক ফিউশন, অল হ্যান্ড বন্ধেজ। দিজ আর নট প্রিন্টেড, দিজ আর অল tie and dye handwork, handcrafted in pure tussar with original handmade block printed ajrak print done in the body all over with original vegetable dye ajrak. It's a very long process, this ajrak printings. It's a very much in demand also, and ajrak with bandhej is giving it a new dimension to these tussar sarees. And with this we have this blouse piece also. Just a minute, I think the fold is not incorrect. Yeah, so this is the ajrak saree along with the bandhej border and bandhej pallu, and here comes the blouse piece. The whole saree will be like this. The blouse piece comes along with the saree, especially with the pallu part. So this is the blouse piece of the saree. It's in bandhej, plain with the bandhej border and bandhej pallu. So the border, pallu and blouse piece coming to bandhej, and the body in original hand ajrak, vegetable dyes, original natural colors, and the whole saree will be in a lovely shade of brown and bottle green, burgundy and bottle green color, earthy tone, lightweight, soft and very very comfortable. This is product number 1. So I'll be showing you a few more bandhej ajrak. Product number 2 comes in blue. The prices are already there in the screenshot. And see, all these ajraks are, the prints are very uncommon, and especially it has been curated as such to it has to have a relation with the border. So in such a way the printing and the bandhej colors has been used. See, there's a touch of blue in between because the border is in blue, and here is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Here comes the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, and these are priced 8990. Product number 2, 8,990 rupees for product number 2. The whole saree will have this bandhej border with ajrak printing, and please wear it with the same blouse piece only, because that will give a very different look with the bandhej blouse and ajrak printed saree with the bandhej pallu. Very smart looking saree. Silver goes very well with this. Your junk jewelries, antique jewelries goes very well with this, and these are all pure tussar. Product number 3 comes in burgundy. All the colors are uncommon. See, with the burgundy we've given a brown color, rust, dark rust with blue. There's a two-tone of burgundy, darker and lighter with bandhej. And see, not only this bandhej, see the bandhej, the size of the bandhej, what I mean to say is so small and tiny, so it's a very neat and good finished work. So here comes the blouse piece, and here comes the pallu. Same price, 8990. Product number 3, bandhej with ajrak fusion, tie and dye, original bandhej and original ajrak in pure tussar, handcrafted, and with lovely concept of these sarees. These come very few after a very very long time, so hope those who did not, this is a very good concept. It should be in your wardrobe. Now coming to bandhej, again hand bandhej. You can still see the crush is still there with pichwai. First of all, the bandhej is shaded, dark and lighter shade of coffee, brown and coffee. So it's shaded. This border is a very unique form. All handwork, see the border. Once the polish is done, see, here you can see the shading. Once you confirm the booking, once after payment, you have to give me some time. If you want, I will polish and send you, but after polish there will not be any exchanges or returns. Anyway, we have no returns, but even exchanges will not be possible once the polish is done. So see the sari properly. I will be showing you full sari very closely. This is the very well finished, neat ajrak, bandhej with brown, darker 2 shades of brown, and here is the whole sari. Here is the pallu in Pichwai, Mughal Pichwai, digital printing, price 9,950 rupees with Pichwai digital printed blouse piece in green, and the whole sari comes in shaded tie and dye. So the color combination would be like this. This is for you to understand how it will look. This looks very, very nice on wearing, and this is in very good quality pure modal silk. There are many qualities of modal. This is a very, very good quality of modal, heavy count, and it's in pure fabric. Another lovely shade of a bright red with bottle green. This too is shaded. See, the price depends on the finish of the product, the whole look of the product, the quality of the product. See, we have used shaded color in this. Rani and red color shading has been done, and see the lovely printing. It's not the regular this thing. See the design, the motive that has been done in the pallu, Pichwai digital printing with this Pichwai printed blouse piece, and it's a beautiful shade. See the shading. So closely now you can see the shade of the bandhej silk sari. It's in bright red and Rani. So here is the whole color combination. See the bright, very lovely, and especially when you blend it with green. Very smart looking, unique design. Multicolor stones look good. Once again, closely the bandhej color combination for you. Very pretty red with green. Another coffee with again blue, greenish blue, shades of coffee deep and light. Once I do the polish, the width will be standard width. Now it seems as if it's short because of the crushed tie and dye, but once I do the polish, your width will be perfect. 9,950 rupees. Pichwai printed digital pallu, and see the Pichwai printing is also the design. Design is also very uncommon, and here comes the blouse piece with this. See the color combination here. Very smart looking sari, and these are all traditional arts. Here is the sari. Now coming to Georgette Banarasi pure hand woven with bandhej. So first of all, there is shading, a shade of lavender and gold. The natural color of the sari is light butter color with lavender shading in the border and pallu, and see the tiny exquisite bandhej done in between the hand woven zari Georgette Banarasi. So this is the weave, Banarasi weave. In between there has been bandhej done in it. So this is the bandhej. Once I polish, you will get to see more prominently. Now you can understand how well the work has been done. This is the pallu part. Gorgeous, pretty color combination, very uncommon. 12,500 products, number 712500. Beautiful shade of gold and lavender with this lavender blouse piece in bandhej. So here you get a pure Georgette heavy quality lavender blouse piece with the border, and this is the sari. Obviously the width will not be the standard now, but once the polish is done, you can get the full standard length, and you can understand just for you to understand. I'm just showing you the shading of the sari. See the gold and lavender color shading, color combination, how it will look once you drape it. So you can just understand more or less the color combination. Another stunning color in bandhej Georgette Banarasi, again shaded. This color is more or less a light mehendi or a snuff color, you can say, with a rustish mustard color tone. And see the rich gold weave done in it. Absolutely stunning piece of rich gold, all over hand woven Georgette Banarasi with bandhej. So there is two different processes. One is the hand weaving and the other one is hand bandhej, tie and dye. This is the blouse piece in bandhej and this is the sari. Stunning color combination. Looks very good when you wear it to any weddings and very formal occasion. Gorgeous. This is the color. And closely I will show you once again the dye part. Peach, deep peach color with mirror work. So now here comes the third process, adding mirror work in this. So Georgette Banarasi, one process, hand woven. On top of that bandhej in yellow and white. On top of that Ari mirror work. Bridal collection. Bandhej itself is very festive, and you know we love bandhej. It's such a beautiful process and such an old generation before generation these has been. It's an absolutely stunning piece of art. See the pallu, 12,900, again with this beautiful bandhej blouse piece. Rich mirror work with gold zari. Love the color. Beautiful color combinations in deep coral, you can say. Here is closely for you the weave, the border. Check out properly the details of the product. I am showing you very closely. The border, the weave, the butta, the mirror work. Yes, let me show you the back side also. This is the back side, the finishing of the back side, very neatly cut. This is the pallu part. Another stunning color combination. These actually are rich evening wear bridal collection, you can say. So these are done usually in brighter tart, hot pink color, and this color, you know, it looks so stunning in any complexion. So again, bandhej, this is another color of the same sari, yellow and white bandhej with, and see each weave, it's so intricate, with mirror work, monotone. The pallu design changes, 12,900, product number 10 with mirror work, with bandhej blouse. This is polished, so you can understand the bandhni in this properly. But anyway, we will again repolish and send. Just give me a few more days time to dispatch. So that's it. But see the color, the stunning concept. It's a beautiful sari, beautiful. 12,900, mirror work. Mirror work again. Now coming to the shaded part, those were monotone. Now here comes the shaded bandhej with mirror work in Georgette Banarasi. Pista and pink color. See the color combination. All newly created, handcrafted, hand woven, hand tie and dye, hand mirror work. We have two branches in Kolkata, 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near Baliganj railway station, and the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Citizen Park. We have car park. Sundays we are closed. The rest of the days, Monday to Saturday, we are open to serve you every day from Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 at night. So the whole day almost we are open. So please visit regularly. We are getting new collection every day. So something or the other new will definitely you will get in each of the store. Both the branches, the concept on the collection is little different from each other. But to get this particular product, you have to pre-book, because since these are hand woven, handmade saris, we don't keep multiple pieces in this particular piece. So please do pre-book. Once the payment is done, we will give you the bank details, the business account bank details. After you make the payment, it will be couriered to you within, especially because of these need to be polished, we need 1 or 2 more extra days. Otherwise, within 2 working days, we do the courier for you, and you will be getting it very, very soon. Similar one, I have another shaded one. And once you make the payment, when you are giving me the address, please give it in one single format, so that you know I can understand the name, address, phone number and the place where it needs to be shipped in one message, because I forward it to my dispatch team. So single message, sometimes this comes first, somebody else's address comes second, and then in between it gets it's really creates a problem, and I don't want you to receive a delayed parcel. We want to dispatch it as quickly as possible, so give it in one format once the payment is done. And also please share the screenshot of the payment, because sometimes when the same sari price many of you are sending, so we get confused who is sending what. So screenshot of the payment please send me once the payment is done. This is another coral and magenta color combination. See, this is another very pretty color combination of rich bandhej. Actually, bandhej usually is done in these kind of bright, beautiful, bright colors, and these stand out well also in these brighter shades. And then on top of that, with this gold zari weave and then the mirror work. So it's a very gorgeous, stunning sari, handmade, and only 12,900 rupees, with so much of weaving and mirror work done, but still we've kept it within our bandhej. The Georgette Banarasi that we sell are around 11,000. So just we are charging around 1,900, 1,500 more for extra bandhej and mirror work only, with bandhej blouse piece. So now coming to Tassar Shibori. another artwork, another tie and dye concept done. This is done in Tasar. Tie and dye. Shibori done with sequins and thread work. Sequence work in horizontal stripes throughout the sari. The upper and lower border will be virgin color with buta sequence embroidery, and the sequence is in antique and very tiny sequence, not the big ones which keeps moving. Very tiny, well finished embroidery with chicken work pallu. 12,800 chicken embroidery in Zardozi pallu. See the lovely tassels, handmade tassels. The pallu, product number 13. Lovely shade. Actually, these are concept saris. Shibori with sequence work, and you know, it's a party wear. It's a rich look sari with zari work, with tissue blouse piece and stripes. So these are elegant party wear saris. Lot of detailing is done in this with tie and dye, sequins, embroidery, tasseling, chicken work. So see, a lot of concept, and on top of that, the sari itself is a beautifully woven pure desi Tasar. See the border. So the sari itself is a beauty itself actually. Tie and dye again in Tasar, shaded with machine work, chicken curry, border and printing. Color pista and lime. Shades of green. Very small tiny bandhej done. Pallu 12,800 for this. 12,800 for this. And here is the blouse piece done in block printing, pure Tasar, darker shade of green. Here is the blouse. So you'll understand, this is the blouse. This is the sari with crochet narrow border. Very elegant, soft, lightweight, has a great fall. And you know, it's a all designer look, but definitely traditional, because that's what Sanskriti is all about, to keep the tradition in mind. See the border. Another shade of orange. See the pallu part, double line border. Color is very pretty, not the loud, too bright orange. This is a very subtle, sober orange with darker orange. You know, nice color combination actually, deep and light. $12,800, product number 15. See closely the work. And the border, and here is the sari for you. This is the blouse piece. The previous one had another extra printing on it. This is without printing. Oh, now coming to what I am wearing, number 16. Now this, let me explain. silver zari, Chinia silk pure. This is pure heavy quality silk, but it's not katan, it's Banarasi. The border is like, you know, Kanjivaram border, but tie and dye bandhej done. Synthetic fabric, tie and dye colors would not be, you know, you cannot, the colors will not hold. So this is pure silk, but not katan. 14,500 with woven zari border, zari pallu and bandhej blouse piece. Again, the polish needs to be done. So let me hold it this way, you can understand the color combination. The buta and the border, you can understand now. The whole sari will be like this. Check out the border and it's a beautiful color combination and also the concept. Here you can understand the design and the color combination, the weave. It's very soft, beautifully, the fall also of the silk is very pretty. And here is the blouse piece. So here is the color, whole concept sari for you. 14,900. Even the one that I am wearing, see the color combination. Lovely shade of slate color with burgundy. Mine is with gold zari. Here is the gold blouse piece, pallu woven. See the weave. See now, once I've polished the sari, so this is how it will come once you polish the product. And here is the blouse piece for you. Bandhej blouse piece. See, so once you wear this, this is the blouse piece for you. Now I'll just show you the color, since you can see how it will come once you polish the product. We'll polish it for you, no extra charge for that, but just make sure once you confirm the product, only after the payment the polish will be done. So this is the sari, same price. The bangle that I am wearing, the pair is 2,900 pair. See, it's a beautiful pearl setting with stone setting in between also. This Kara type pair is 2,900 and the 2,990, sorry, this is 2,990 rupees for the pair. And the neck piece that I am wearing, this one with the earring. These are actually, these are natural stones, so there are deep and light colors will be there. So don't think the earring is a lighter shade. This is the neck piece with this is 2,250. 2,250 for the neck piece and the 2,250. 2,200. 2,200 is for the neck piece and the earring. 2,200 for the neck piece and the earring. We have more colors in this actually. So now coming to product number 17. Again silk tie and dye bandhej with gold and silver zari woven border pallu. See the color combination. So I'll just keep on showing you the colors. Very pretty gold zari and silver zari with blouse piece. Gorgeous, stunning piece. Very new concept. Zari woven with blouse and bandhej. Nice color. Now I'll show you some absolutely stunning color chart. Number 18. All handmade product, hand woven and hand tie and dye. See the color combination in this. Red blouse. This is the blouse piece. This is the pallu part. $14,500 for this. Number 18. So quickly I'll show you the whole sari. This is the sari. Lovely. It looks very pretty. Gold and silver equally looks very nice. So according to the color, we've selected the zari. Number 19, another rich blue. Peacock blue with magenta. Magenta blouse piece in bandhej. Silk. Zari woven. Tie and dye. See the weave. See, this is the back side. Stunning shades. All the shades are not the regular black, red, green shades. These are all uncommon, very uncommon shades in tie and dye. Fudge color with magenta, fuchsia color, and this is the blouse piece in bandhej. $14,500 for this too. Very, this is really a very different concept, that this is the first time we are showing in bandhej. I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like our products, and do comment if you feel that these are worth appreciating. But let me tell you, these lot of thinking, lot of thought process under one roof. We sell so many, we curate so many variety of products from different state. So many state traditions are involved in Sanskriti, the Sanskriti products. 14,500 again with a red and rani color, deep red, maroonish red and rani color, bandhej silk tie and dye with, see, traditional peacock border. Very pretty color. And the zari is also prominent gold zari. And here is the blouse piece. See, this is the tie and dye blouse piece. $21. $22. This was a very favorite piece. Grey and charcoal black color with silver zari. Very uncommon. Blouse piece. See the blouse piece. It's not actually grey, charcoal black, neither it is, it's a very, it's a mehendi kind, it's a very uncommon color, green, mehendi greenish black color tone. I wouldn't say it's charcoal black, I think it has a touch of green, very uncommon shade. And that also with a grey color. This is a very pretty piece, very pretty piece. 14,500. Lovely. Now here is another grey and blue color. Since I am wearing grey, I have done lot of greys, but all the shades of the grey are different. See, mine has again the little greenish grey. This is a silverish grey. That was slate kind of a grey, and this, it depends on the dye. The color comes depending on the mixture of the color. And silver zari with turquoise blue, grey and blue. Very gorgeous, rich color combination. Pallu and blouse piece. All fusion collection, see, very pretty. I could have just dyed and we could have just sold the sari as it is, because the sari weave itself is very pretty, but then we decided to do tie and dye in this. Now coming to silk kotas. See how soft this is. Lightweight, featherweight saris, silk kota, leheriya, tie and dye with mirror work. So it doesn't have any pallu as such. Now I'll explain it to you properly. The pallu and the border has just simple one zari woven border. This is the pallu, just it has one zari woven border, and this is the border. 5990 with mirror work. Sunflower yellow and lemon yellow. Very soft, very flowy. It has a running blouse piece. So blouse piece also is running with this, with the mirror work done in the sleeves. This is the blouse piece. So I would suggest, instead of just, since the mirror work is done in the sleeves, make the sleeves out of this. The body, just use an off-white plain silk or anything plain chicken material or anything. Just make the body in off-white, and the pallu the blouse piece sleeves part, you make it in mirror work. This is another color combination. All these comes with the mirror work blouse piece. Magenta and Rani. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. One, the mannequin is wearing red and Rani. Red and Rani. See, the mirror work is done, and you can make, that's what I was just suggesting, just a suggestion. You can make any of the color of white or red or this Rani color blouse piece material, close neck, boat neck, front and back in plain silk, and the sleeves in this kind of, this leheriya sleeves in the leheriya sleeves. So this gives a very pretty look, since the mirror work is already done in the sleeves. Now another motra in sky blue, Firoza color, same type. And the last one, okay, there's another one also. There's a purple. I'm just showing you the colors. Beautiful purple color, purple and magenta. Leheria. This color looks very pretty. Same with blouse piece, similar. See, the whole sari will have mirror work and this thing, very nice color with gold zari. And the last one, number 28, sea green and firoza. All hand tie and dye for you. Hope you like the episode. All handwork, beautiful pure silk sarees that I've been showing you today. So thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like the episode. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. We have the WhatsApp status also where regular uploads are done every day. Thank you so much. Also please like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page.